Yes.
Drive safe. All right.
Morning. This is walking to work in a US condition 1. Which is comparatively nothing. The snow is up to my hip. Not entirely sure how I'm gonna get to work. We're gonna have to take the long way, I think. We have to just follow the road, I think. Yeah, right? Oh, God. I think so. Just pan around here. Governor has closed all the roads. So far, I've seen 0 vehicles. That's different. This is the longest walk to work ever. I forgot my jacket. Just realized. No. Snow piles are actually almost up to my shoulders here. Massive. And another fresh 3 inches on the ground. This person is not getting their car out anytime soon.
Neither are they.
Nope. Our road is, for some reason, somewhat plowed.
We can open our door.
I know, I was wondering about that.
Just.
First in town, first town in the state, first town in plowing. I don't know if we can get in the driveway. We'll almost ate it there.
This is going to be a challenge. This is ridiculous.
This was...
We have to climb through chest-deep snow.
So maybe we're going back home. I'll do it.
I mean, I'll do it.
No, I'll do it.
We both gotta do it.
It's
not like one of us is going or the shoveling.
There's one shovel inside.
There's gotta be another one somewhere. Okay, cut the video.
Okay, we've made it to work and there is no way to get in the door. So that's where we're at.